please kindly share my share options. I need your permission for sharing my slides, sir. Please.
Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. A very good morning to each one of you. I, Saili Karare,
And I, Neha Mogre,
take privilege of being your host this morning. On behalf of Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, accredited by NAC Bangalore, warmly welcomes all the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, our special chief guest, Honorable Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, AICT New Delhi, Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. Chan Muki, Deputy Dean of Research, Faculty of Engineering, Segi University, Malaysia. Our keynote speaker, Honorable Dr. Raja Mohan Prathasarthi, Professor, Segi University, Malaysia, Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Chairman, Gaikwad Patil Group, and convener of the conference, Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Treasurer of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions, all the treasured invites, faculty members, and starling participants. You all have been gracious enough to join us this morning on our first day of AICT-sponsored International E-Conference on recent trends in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology, organized in collaboration with Segi University, Malaysia. In association with Indian Society for Technical Education, IST, the Institution of Engineers, India, IEI, Indian Concrete Institute, ICI. May we welcome all our distinguished guests and delegates with a huge round of applause. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to each one of you on this beautiful morning. Well, firstmost, I would like to thank everyone for taking the time out from your heavy schedule and making this spectacular morning with your glorious presence. Thank you so much. There is a beautiful proverb that I would like to share with you all this morning. It says, speed can be calculated by miles per hour and a lifetime can be calculated by smiles per hour. So let's begin this beautiful morning with loads of smile and hope to have a good day ahead.
believing in our dreams come true, we pray to Almighty God to give all the success and light up the lamps of our dreams and aspirations and move away from the darkness to the brightness and positive attitude. We commence any auspicious occasion with divine blessings, and that light is a testament to assuring in positive energy for our occasion. May we invite our dignitaries now to please proceed to the traditional lamp lighting as it is a customary in this part of the world. I also request Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Honorable Guest of Honor Dr. Chan Muki, and Honorable Keynote Speaker Dr. Raja Mohan Prathasarthi to please join virtually for the same.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती
Thank you all. I request all the dignitaries to occupy their respective seats on the dais. Please, sir. Thank you, everyone. EICAIML is about machine learning and artificial intelligence. As we all are aware that recently machine learning and artificial intelligence have gained significant momentum in India. Today, there is a significant number of companies that are leveraging the power this sought after technologies to better their offerings. And it is not only empowering companies and creating jobs, but also spreading knowledge across the globe through such conferences. We are privileged to receive all of you here in the Colombo of 7th International Conference. We are honored by the presence of well-acclaimed Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, All India Council for Technical Education, AICT New Delhi. Welcome, sir. Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. Chan Mew Kee.
Thank you.
Honorable Guest of Honor, Dr. Chan Mew Kee, Deputy Dean of Research, Faculty of Engineering, Segi University, Malaysia. Welcome, ma'am. Honorable Keynote Speaker, Dr. Raja Mohan Prathasathi, Professor, Segi University, Malaysia. Welcome, sir.
Extremely happy with the welcome, all of you.
We also have with us dignitaries on dais, Honorable Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Chairman Gaikwad Patil Group and Convener of Conference, Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Treasurer, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution, Honorable Principal Dr. S.S. Rathore, Honorable Director Admissions Dr. Geeta Padole Gaikwad, Honorable Director of Innovation Incubation, Industry and Linkages, Training and Placement Cell of GPGI Dr. Prashant Kadu, Honorable Vice Principal Professor Pragati Patil, Honorable Co-Convener of EICAIML Professor Anup Gade, Honorable Director IT GPGI Professor Mukul Pandey, Honorable Joint Organizing Secretary Professor Ritesh Panpurkar, all the respected directors, HODs, teachers and all the participants. Once again, I welcome you all to the AICT-sponsored International E-Conference on recent trends in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology, organized in collaboration with Segi University, Malaysia. Moving further, our institute is gratified to organize this 7th International Conference after these 6 successful conferences. This COVID-19 pandemic came out as a challenging for many organizations, for some in positive and for others in negative sense. But this pandemic could not hamper the enthusiastic spirit of GPGI to continuously work for the betterment of students and educational sector. This event hails as a presidential movement towards organizing the very first e-conference in the history of GPGI. The conference will be graced by various eminent personalities, whereas this EICAIML witnesses an overwhelming response by research scholars, faculty members, and industry personnel from all across the globe. Around 450 plus research papers have been received. After rigorous review, 48% articles were found suitable for presentation, and those articles will be published in reputed journals including UGC approved journals, ESCI, Web of Science, and Scopus Index Journal. To put a more light on it, let us have a pleasure of listening to opening remark by our Honorable Principal Dr. S.S. Rathore. Please, sir.
Honorable Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary AICT, New Delhi. Honorable Dr. Chan Mew Kee, Deputy Dean of Engineering, Segi University, Malaysia. Honorable Dr. Raja Mohan Prathasathi, Professor, Segi University, Malaysia. Today's keynote speaker, Chairman Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, Honorable Treasurer Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, Honorable Director Admissions Dr. Geeta Padole Gaikwad, Director IIIL Dr. Prashant Kadu, Director IT, Professor Mukul Pandey, Vice Principal Professor Pragati Patil, Co-Convener Professor Anup Gade, Joint Organizing Secretary Professor Ritesh Banpurkar. Sir, our education society, Vidarbha Bahuddeshi Shikshan Sanstha, provides education in various sectors such as engineering and technology, science, management, architecture, and also runs international school. Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, popularly known as TGP-CET, is premium upcoming engineering college in central India, accredited by NAC, Bangalore. Our management consists solely of persons not only with academic background but with actual classroom teaching experience. The college has hosted a series of national and international conferences and conducted social activities, workshops, and seminars in which industry experts, professors from renowned institutions shared their expertise and experience. This is going to be one more occasion of the same. The international conference is aimed at providing a platform, an international platform actually, to share the needs of industry with the changing time and the role of technical education and institution to cater those needs. Nearly 1,000 students from across the country, representing almost every state, are expected to participate in this two-day event to showcase their talents. It's going to be a big event, I believe. The first convention, Quark 10, was organized at the end of Padma Shri Dr. Vijay Bhatkar. The second, Quark 11, was inaugurated by the member of National Planning Commission and MP, Honorable Dr. B.L. Mungekar. Quark 12 was inaugurated by Dr. Dinesh Keshkar, the president of Boeing Asia. Quark 13 had Dr. Sanjay Palsole, associate professor of IIT Roorkee, renowned for Palsole process of polymer composites and Palsole equations, and his work for Indian and European space agencies. As the chief guest of the event, we are happy to state that all these dignitaries had quite a few nice things to say about our institution. For this particular AICTE-sponsored AI International E-Conference, organized in collaboration with SEGI University, Malaysia, I am happy to announce that we have received 400 plus articles throughout the globe. Thanks for the overwhelming response to all those who submitted the papers to this conference. After critical review, our reviewers and organizing team have found only 48% papers suitable for presentation in this conference. I welcome all the presenters here, and I believe this is going to be a wonderful interaction platform internationally for all the participants and our speakers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for guiding our participants. SEGI University and Colleges first opened its doors as Systematic College in 1977 in the heart of Kuala Lumpur's commercial district, offering globally recognized professional qualifications. Since then, SEGI has experienced significant growth by adapting and catering to an increasing demand for tertiary education and professional qualifications in Malaysia. Known as one of the largest private higher education providers in Malaysia, SEGI now serves 25,000 students in 5 major campuses. Today, the significance of climbing the career ladder in the industry is highly competitive. Therefore, SEGI now offers a new breakthrough method known as PACE, or Professional and Continuing Education. We are proud to say that our conference has been collaborated with SEGI University Malaysia. So let's have a look at this beautiful and amazing campus of SEGI University. So I would now request Professor Sushil Bise to please share the video.
Thank you, sir, for sharing this beautiful and wonderful video of Segi University. Moving forward, to welcome is to show honor. To welcome is to establish integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to introduce our guest of honor. This morning, we are delighted to have a very special and renowned personality with us, Honorable Dr. Chan Mew Kee. She is Deputy Dean of Research, Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and Information Technology, Segi University, Malaysia. She completed her doctorate degree and graduation in Chemical Bioprocess Engineering. Few of her research areas includes water treatment, nanoparticles, membranes, separation, etc. She have received professional certification of Member of Board of Engineers. She published 12 plus papers in various international journals and conferences. She has received 8 grants till date, amongst and few of them are: as a principal investigator, she has received a grant in January 19 to February 21 on ammonia removal using nanotechnology approach, industrial grant of RM 500-600. And in March 2015 to February 17 on the production of double cast polyacrylate membranes for water treatment, Segi Fund, RM 39,540, and many more. Ma'am, we are indeed grateful to you for your gracious presence. I now request you to please address the gathering.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, can you see my slide here? Or I have to share for my side? Hi, good morning.
Ma'am, you share the slides.
I share the slide, but the button is enable here. I can't. Oh, okay. Yes. Please give me some time, yeah?
Okay, ma'am, you can share the slides.
All right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, your slides are visible.
Can you see my slide here? I'm not sure which one you are seeing now. Can you see the full screen slide here? Sorry. Can? Sorry. Yeah. Okay, we have some issue here. I'm sorry. Just give some more time a bit. Okay, I share this. So can you see my full screen here? Hi, good morning.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
It's visible, the full screen, right? Can see. All right. Okay. Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So first of all, on behalf of Segi University, we are very grateful to Dr. Rato, who is the chairman of the core organizing committee, for inviting Segi University as the core organizer for this event. So special thanks to the conference organizing committee for the great effort in making this event a success. So this conference embraces the research world, which is closely related to COVID-19. And also highlight the importance of real-time research in defeating the viruses. So checking the update on coronavirus, new cases every evening is in the to-do list of every Malaysian. High infection rate both globally and locally not only affect the frontliners, medical supply provider, airlines, tour guide, and also affect normal people like you and me. So we worry about our health, our family, and our paycheck, right? So today our lifestyle has changed to accommodate the newly discovered coronavirus. So under this new norm, we are no longer required to make up before we go out because your face will be 60% covered by the mask. So, and you are also allowed to work from home with your little helpers around and then conduct or attend online classes, and you are encouraged to do the online grocery as well. But how the industry maintain the material supply chain to provide the basic need to the people like us? So how do we obtain and analyze the real-time data to keep track of the latest development of the virus? So the use of robots and the cloud computing could be the answer for this. Okay, so as a researcher here, what is our role? So I believe by combining what we know about artificial intelligence, IoT, big data, so we can develop proper screening, tracking, and predict the active and potential patients. Can also assist in develop drugs and vaccines and reduce the workload of the healthcare service providers. So we also can help in sustain the material supply chain and create smart factories. So this conference provides us a
Unmute. Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening us by sharing your deep knowledge. We are obliged by your kind presence. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. I am profusely overjoyed to take an opportunity to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary, AICTE, New Delhi. Professor Rajiv Kumar did his ME in Computer Technology and Application from Delhi College of Engineering and PhD from IIT Delhi. After completing PhD, he joined DCR University of Science and Technology, Haryana in the year 1990. His areas of research interest are mathematical computing, software engineering, and image processing. He has published number of research papers in national and international journals and presented papers in India and abroad. He has visited several universities in USA, Canada, China, and Malaysia. Sir, we are immensely honored by your presence. Without wasting much time, let's have a privilege to listen him. So I now request Honorable Dr. Rajiv Kumar, sir, to address the participants. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, TGP College of Engineering and Technology, a premier engineering college in the country, for giving me this opportunity. Forward also, we are helping financially as well as we are connecting them to some startups, or we are connecting them to some incubators also. So this all initiative we are taking, and also we have started and one important initiative that is in the form of National Educational Alliance for Technology, where all edtech companies, they are coming on a platform, and their products, educational products, they have been vetted by the academicians and some experts. And these educational technology companies, they are providing personalized learning, learning to the students, because the requirement of each and every student is different. Learning levels of each and every student is different. So we have brought all these edtech companies to this platform, and our students are taking advantage of these initiatives. So with all these, AICTE is in full swing. We are helping our students, we are helping our institutions, we are helping our faculty in training all in thrust areas. And with this initiative, this college, TGP College of Engineering, I really compliment them that they are organizing, they are sharing the ideas with the friends from Malaysia also. And I hope through this conference, our researchers, they will be definitely able to think how we can bring this solution of this pandemic COVID-19 through using these technology, AI and ML. How best they can be utilized. I know they are being utilized by researchers, but where wherever it is being utilized, definitely their ideas will be shared, and our researchers, those who are budding researchers, they will definitely take advantage of this. With all these words, I once again thank all the participants, congratulate all the participants, and thank TGP College and our friends in Malaysia for taking this initiative for organizing this international conference on artificial intelligence and machine learning. With all these words, thank you, namaskar, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. It was pleasure listening to you. Your presence has been valuable and moral boost to us. We certainly look forward to another interaction in future. Now I would like to welcome Honorable CEO Gautam Das from INSA Analytics Kolkata. He'll be our keynote speaker for tomorrow's day. Proceeding further, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for the most awaiting event for any researcher as well as scholars, as it gives the return to the efforts put in by them throughout their project and development. It gives a sense of achievement and the sense of responsibility towards their career. With the permission of Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Rajiv Kumar, I request sir to please release the souvenir virtually, and I also request all the honorable guests and honorable dignitaries to proceed for the release of souvenir. Thank you so much, everyone. I would now like to request Honorable Professor Sandeep Gaikwad sir to please give the presidential remark.
Thank you, Saili. Very good morning to India and very good afternoon to Malaysia, because it is a joint conference in India and Malaysia. That's why I'm using the morning and good afternoon. To all, and the esteemed chief guest, Honorable Dr. Raju Kumar, Member Secretary, AICT New Delhi, the guest of honor, Dr. Chan Mikoi, Deputy Dean, Research and Faculty of Engineering, Segi University, Malaysia, Dr. Raja Mohanji, Professor, Segi University, Malaysia, Dr. Mohanji Gaikwad, Chairman, Gaikwad Patil Group of Institution and the convener of this today's e-conference, Dr. Rathod, the Principal of TGP-CET, Dr. Kadu, the Dean, R&D, Dr. Gita Padole, Organizing Secretary, Professor Pragati Patil, the Vice Principal, Professor Anup Gade, and the Professor Ritesh Banpurkar, the co-convener for the today's EICAIML. Other esteemed dignitaries who are online, and my dear participant. It is my privilege to welcome you for the first e-conference and the 7th international conference at a beautiful campus of TGP-CET. The name of conference itself suggests the emerging area of science and technology. I really thanks the AICT, and under the dynamic and the able leadership of Honorable Anilji Sahasrabuddhe, the emerging area for engineering and technology this year, the TGP-CET received 3 branches, one in PG, that under AIML, then second is in biotechnology, and the third one is aeronautical engineering. So these 3 branches received under the able leadership of the Professor Anilji Sahasrabuddhe. And the opening remark by Dr. Rathod sir already explained the journey of TGPCT, a 12-year-old institute, and this is the seventh international conference conducted under the able leadership of Dr. Rathod sir. Then the opening remark, after opening remark, the next is our honorable guest of honor, Dr. Chan Mikoi, is already explained in that, and in that he has shown the virtual video in Malaysia. We feel that we are sitting in the Malaysia campus, and I hope definitely in near future, the TGPCT and the Malaysia University, SEGI University, with the collaborative project under the student exchange, faculty exchange, and the research can be done under the both collaborative. Thank you, sir. Thank you. The chief guest, Dr. Raju ji, already explained that this pandemic situation is an opportunity for the human being, and it is a globally opportunity given by the God, I think. So definitely, by this opportunity, this is possible, the e-conference with Malaysia University, AICT, without the generous support provided by the AICT New Delhi and the SEGI University, this conference would not have been possible at this scale. Thanks SEGI University management member, and thanks to AICT for giving this opportunity to the TGPCT. In the name of conference itself suggests that emerging area, that is AI/ML. In the true sense, the AI/ML can be useful for the human being unless and until the technocrat, the emerging area, or the professor, they can stand for accept, adjust, and accountability for the technological changes. Then I stand for the innovation, incubation, and the interdisciplinary research amongst the technology. Then M stand for the methodologies, motivational and meticulous performance, and L stand for the luxury living and the learning technology. Is stand for AI/ML, gives the true sense once you fulfill these all parameters. Many members of this organizing team would have very hard to turn our initial vision for this conference into this reality. On the behalf of GPGI family, I would like to thank the today's chief guest, Raju Kumar ji, the guest of honor, Dr. Dr. Chan Mikoi, and other keynote speaker, session chair, and the presenter for their invaluable suggestions and timing. We greatly appreciate the support we have received from the media in covering our activity and proper presentation all over the globe. Thanks for giving this opportunity to TGPCT. My special thanks to the Dr. G.K. Awari, the Margadarshak appointed by the AICT. Under his leadership, the TGPCT moving towards. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words of wisdom. Now I would like to invite co-convener of EIC/AI/ML 20, Professor Anup Gade sir, to propose the vote of thanks.
Greetings of the day. It has been said that whenever there is a problem, it lies an opportunity with it. Instead of saying glass is half empty, we'll prefer to say glass is half filled. AICT has granted us for the physical mode of conference, but looking at the situation of COVID pandemic, AICT has taken an initiative and proposed us to go for e-conference. And our management, who are kind enough, who allow us to go for this first ever e-conference at Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions. There are 5 pillars who are working behind the success of this conference. The first pillar, AICT, without which this conference will not be possible, Rather, I must say, with great support from AICT, we are able to organize this conference. I am grateful to Dr. Rajiv Kumar for giving his valuable time. Rajiv Kumar, one of the top brasses from AICT, himself here to inaugurate this conference. I am grateful to you, sir, for your presence. Second pillar, the Segi University, Malaysia. I am grateful to the administration from the Segi University who worked collaboratively with us, who are always there to support us. I am thanking you, all the administrator from Segi University, and my special thanks to Dr. Chan and Dr. Raja Mohan, who are here as a keynote speaker and as a guest of honor. The third pillar, support from management. How I can forget the support from management? I must thank our Honorable Chairman, Dr. Mohan Gaikwad Patil, who support us, who inspire us to go for this first ever e-conference. I am grateful to him. I am also thankful to our Honorable Treasurer, Professor Sandeep Gaikwad, a source of motivation behind organizing this conference. I am thankful to the captain of our team, the chairman of our conference, Honorable Dr. S.S. Rathore, for providing great support to organize this conference. I am thankful to Dr. Prashant Karu, Director IIIL, Dr. Geeta Padore Gaikwad, Director Admission, Professor Pragati Patil, Professor Ritesh Banpurkar, Joint Secretary, who support us for organizing this conference. Fourth pillar, all the participants who have given overwhelming response to this e-conference. I am sorry for those guys whose paper we could not select, but there is always scope for the improvement, and next time definitely we'll have their papers too in our conference. 48% papers we have accepted for the presentation. 2 days we are having presentation. Thank you so much all the participants for their overwhelming response. And finally, last but not the least, all the staff members, the technical team, Professor Mukul Pandey, Professor Sushil Vise, all the staff members at TGP-CET who work hard for making this conference a grand success. Thank you all. With this, I would like to thank all of you for being here. Thanks. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, sir. The company of good people are like a shop of perfumes, whether you buy it or not, but you will receive a lot of fragrance. Thank you each one of you for your gracious presence. You all just spread the fragrance. Here we end with the inaugural ceremony. Now we will take a 2-minute break and then we resume with the next session by our keynote speaker, Honorable Dr. Rajamohan Prathasathy. Participants, please stay connected.
I'm so sorry, I forget our honorable. I'm so sorry. I forget our honorable keynote speaker of day 2, Dr. Gautam Das, for joining here. Thank you, Gautam sir, for joining today's session, and we hope to listen you on tomorrow's keynote address. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Gade. Tomorrow actually we'll see.
AICT sponsored International E-Conference on recent trend in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology, organized in collaboration with SEGI University, Malaysia. I, Sandeep Gaikwad, Treasurer of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions, would like to extend my heartfelt welcome to all the participants and well-wishers. Follow the WHO norms and stay safe. Thank you.
I am pleased to welcome all to this landmark conference. I believe that this conference will construct a bridge between learners and researchers for their future prospects. Thank you.
I am delighted to welcome you all as the principal of the organizing institute, the Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, popularly known as TGPCT. Nagpur, as such, is known as Orange City. It is located in the central region and heart of India. I wish to extend my deep appreciation to the AICT and SEGI University, Malaysia, for supporting the efforts to further develop the role of international mechanisms for promoting the advanced technological aspects throughout the globe.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 7th E International Conference on recent trends in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology. My name is Azrin Arifin. I'm Deputy Vice Chancellor at SEGI University, Malaysia. Thank you very much, Dr. Rathore, Chairman of the Organizing Committee, for inviting us, SEGI University, to be the co-organizer of this event. Now, research in this pandemic era is very important. And the reason why we are here for the next 2 days is to look at the importance of artificial intelligence and machine learning in respect of pandemic COVID-19 and also for the future. Enjoy yourselves and be a good researcher. Thank you.
Yeah, greetings. I am Dr. Rajamohan Pathasarathi, SEGI University, Malaysia. I am extremely happy with the great pleasure to welcome you all to the AICT-sponsored E-International Conference on recent trends in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology is organizing by Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering, Nagpur, Maharashtra, India, and collaboration with SEGI University, Malaysia on 27th and 28th November 2020. I congratulate to all of you for your commitment and active role in this e-conference and become great success. Thank you so much and most welcome.
It is indeed a matter of honor and privilege for me to offer warm greetings on behalf of Gaikwad Patil Group of Institutions, Nagpur, at the AICT-sponsored International E-Conference. In this conference, we wish to have your valued participation in an open and constructive dialogues about recent trends in machine learning and artificial intelligence in the field of science and technology. The purpose of this conference is to reveal the malady of the technological lacunae and explore the remedy of the same. I, Professor Pragati Patil, Vice Principal, would also like to express my feelings of appreciation to several staff members of the Institute for the logistic of the conference. I am assured with the cooperation of all, the conference will have dazzling success. Thank you.
Hello all. I am Anup Gare, co-convener of the conference. I welcome all for this grand event, International E-Conference on AI and ML. I am very happy to inform you that we have received overwhelming response throughout the world. We have received more than 50 papers throughout the globe. From Pan-India, we have received around 350 papers. The acceptance rate for this conference is 48%. Around 150 plus papers we have accepted for this conference. The motto of this conference is to gather the intellectuals and throw more light on artificial intelligence and machine learning and its application in the variety of areas. I welcome all the participants for this conference. Thank you so much for your great response to this conference.
Welcome back all. In the break, we have seen the lavish and green campus of TGPCT. After this pandemic get over, we welcome you all to the orange, smart Metro City Nagpur and green campus of TGPCT. Now it's time to introduce our keynote speaker, Honorable Dr. Raja Mohan Prathasarthi. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our today's keynote speaker. Sir has received his Bachelor of Science degree in Physics, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Applications, Master degree in Computer Applications and PhD in Computer Science. He has overall 26 years experience in both academic and IT industry. Few of his research areas are in computer networks and security, artificial intelligence and IoT with IR 4.0. He has obtained professional certifications related to computer networks and security areas from Cisco System Academic and EC Council Ethical Hacking. He is member of Graduate Technologist in Malaysia Board of Technologists, Associate member of International Association of Engineers and Cisco Certified Networks, member of Computer Science Teachers Association in USA and member of National Association for Media Literacy Education USA. Sir has published his research work in reputed local and international journals and conferences. Currently, he is working in Faculty of Engineering, Built Environment and Information Technology and leader, Center for Network Security and IoT, SEGI University, Malaysia. Welcome, sir. I consider it a great honor to have you with us today. I request you to please share your keynote address. Please, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for your addressing. Okay. Good morning to